Hey there, beautiful souls. This is for all you that are using meditation to seek out the mystical. This meditation should put you where you need to be. Enjoy. Close your eyes. Breathe into your body. Breathe deeper and longer and slower. And as you breathe into your body, imagine you are seated in a circle of soft golden light. Feel the earth beneath you, steady and ancient, holding you safely. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly, and whisper inwardly, "Arrive, I am here." And as you sit in this space, visualize a glowing square of light before you. With each cycle of breath, you trace its edges. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. See the first side of the square ignite. Hold your breath for 4 counts. See the second side glows. Exhale slowly for 4 counts. The third side shines. Hold again for 4 counts. The square completely starts to glow brighter and brighter. Repeat circling the square of light 6 to 8 times, feeling yourself protected within. Now I want to shift your awareness to your belly. With each inhale, imagine drawing starlight into your body, filling you with calm brilliance. With each exhale, release shadows, worries, and heaviness, letting them dissolve into the earth below you. Each breath is a rhythm between heaven and earth, between light and release. Let your breath return to its natural flow. The golden circle fades gently, but its warmth stays with you. Whispering inwardly, the light remains, I am renewed. We're going to count from 5 back to 0. When we get to 0, open your eyes, come into this space, and just be. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes, come into this space, and just